The body type of a person is based on how the muscles and fat overlay the skeletal structure within the body, giving the individual a characteristic shape. Your body type affects your weight and the way you carry yourself. Today, we're going to see the different female body types and how they can affect weight loss. An Endomorph-Body-Type is often identified with a large trunk and thighs, round face, large bones, and has slower metabolism compared to other body types. People with this body type have little difficulty in controlling their body weight. However, weight loss may be made easier with proper diet and adequate exercise. Mesomorph-Body-Type. This body type is characterized by a broad upper body and a narrow waist. This type often have large muscles and do not accumulate so much fat. And unlike the Endomorph-Body-Type, women with this body type have a fast metabolic rate. It is quite easy for them to gain or lose weight. Proper diet and exercise will help maintain weight. An ectomorph body shape is identified as a slender body shape with slim narrow waist, lower body. This body type has low fat but has lean muscles. People with this type can easily lose weight but find it more difficult to gain lean muscle mass. Female body has additional types aside from the general body types. These body shapes include hourglass, pear, banana, and apple body shape. Hourglass is the most desired body type for females because it is characterized by a proportionate size of the upper and lower body with a narrow waist and have a tendency to add weight to the hip and the upper body. The hourglass body shape should focus on exercises that resist accumulation of fat in the hip and upper body. Pear-shaped women have larger hips compared to the width of the shoulder and upper body. The body weights are greater at the hip due to the presence of more body fat, and they usually have a smaller waist and chest and a flattened stomach. The pear-shaped body should focus on exercises including push-ups, skipping, cycling, and shoulder presses. The apple-shaped body has a small waist and hip, but a large chest and upper body. Women with this type accumulate fat in their upper, which gives them a busty or full-blossomed look. They should engage in aerobic exercise. That will reduce the upper body fat and increase the size of the hip, like running, uphill walking, stair climbing, leg squats, and slow jogging. The banana or ruler body type has an almost equal size for all body parts. No significant differences between hips, waist, and shoulders. The arms remain slender while the backside and stomach gain some weight. The recommended exercises are bench, squats, jogging, spinning to reduce fat in the stomach and backside. No matter what body type you were born with, you can always develop a perfect body through the right exercises and diet.